Okay, so carrying on from the looking at the homophones, I'm going to look at quickly some spelling, just to recap some spelling rules. 5 spelling rules today. And just to sort of illustrate it a little bit, why should we bother to spell properly? Because we can read without having to spell properly. Look at this piece here. I couldn't believe that I could actually understand what I was reading. Using the incredible power of the human mind, according to research at Cambridge University, it doesn't matter in what order the letters in a word are. The only important thing is that the first and last letter be in the right place. The rest can be a total mess, and you can still read it without a problem. This is because the human mind does not read every letter by itself, but the word as a whole. Amazing, huh? Yeah, and I was always taught spelling was important. See if your friends can read this too. So all that, complete gibberish by the look of it, but we can read it because we can actually process it in our brains. But spelling is something that we make a big deal of. And why? Well, because correct spelling is easier to read and understand. You notice me stumbling a little bit there. Also, it gives a good positive image about the person who's writing it. That's you. It tells them that you're intelligent and knowledgeable and you've got attention to detail. And it makes things more believable. And then the subject is likely to be taken more seriously because it's spelt correctly. And it sets a good example for other people. Keep high standards. So that's why. Let's have a quick look at the first rule that I want to look at today, the I before E rule. And you look at those first words there, achieve, believe, chief, friend, grieve, and hygiene. They're all IE within them. But you also have words that have EI, ceiling, conceit, deceive, perceive, receipt. So the rule you come up with is I before E except after C. But you can extend that rule where you've got different ones. It's extended to E before I in words that rhyme with hay. So beige, freight, weight, neighbour, vein. So you've got your words that stick to the rule. You've got words that are completely out of the window, like in any rule in the English language, there's always an exception. And then you've got a little change to it if you've got certain other things in it. So that rule is going to hopefully help you a little bit when you're coming to talk about it.